Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic of English grammar, and that is homophones. Now children, you must be wondering, what is a homophone? Homophone is made of two words. One is homo and other is phone. Children, homo means same, and phone means sound. Combining them, it becomes words having same sound. It means they have something common or same, but differ with some other thing. What does it mean? It means there are words in English grammar that have same sound but have completely different spelling and meaning. These words are called homophones. Once again I repeat, homophones are words that sound the same but their spelling and meanings differ. Let's look at some examples of homophones to make things clear. First example is SEEC and SEAC. Can you tell me, children? Is there any difference in the sound of these words? No, right? Now, can you see the difference of spelling in both the words? Yes, one is SEEC and second one is SEAC. And children, both of them have completely different meaning. SEEC means to watch with eyes. Let's look into a sentence example. We see with our eyes. Now let's look into totally different meaning of the second word, which is SEAC. Look at this picture of sea, children. Now let's look into a sentence example. Sham lives near the sea. Now here you can see totally different meanings of two words, which sounds or pronounce the same but have different spellings and meanings. So they are called homophones. Now the next example is sail and sail. Can you tell me, children, is there any difference in the sound of these words? No, right? Now can you see the difference of spelling in both the words? Yes. Here, the first word is SALE, sale. Sale means things those are kept in the shop for sale. Now, let us look into a sentence example. There is a big sale on toys. Now, the next word is SAIL, sale. Sale means, as you can see in this picture, children, the two yachts are sailing in the sea. Let's look into a sentence example. The wind helps the yacht to sail in the sea. Now, the next words are sun and sun. Now tell me, is there any difference in sound of these words? No, right? Now children, look at the spelling of both the words. One is SON, sun, and the other one is SUN, sun. And both words have completely different meaning. First son means a boy of a parent. Let's see a sentence example. Mr. Kumar's son is brilliant. Now the next word is SUN, sun. SUN, sun has totally different meaning. It refers to the star around which our earth revolves. Sentence example of SUN, sun is sun rises from the east. Now let's take another example of homophones. Next is 8 and 8. EIGHT, 8 is a number and ATE8 is a past form of a verb eat. Sentence example of number 8, EIGHT 8 is Sanvi got 8 out of 10 marks in a test. And a sentence example of ATE8 is the baby ate the strawberry. Now children, over here you can see two totally different meanings and spellings of words that sounds the same, and that's why they are called homophones. Next words are peace and peace. P-E-A-C-E, peace means a state of harmony, quiet or calm that is not disturbed by anything at all, like a still pond with no ripples. म्हणजेच शांतता, as you can see in this picture children. In this picture, a girl is doing meditation in peaceful surrounding. Let's see an sentence example children. Arya's mind was in complete peace after meditation. Now let's see another word, peace. P-I-E-C-E, peace means a part of a whole, as shown in this picture children. Sentence example is, he gave him a small piece of pizza. Words peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace and P-I-E-C-E, peace have same sound but have different spellings and meanings. So these words are called homophones. Next example is write and write. W-R-I-T-E, write means to write, and R-I-G-H-T, write means right side. Let's look into sentence example. I like to write letter to my mom. Turn right on Happy Street. Next example is S-U-M, sum, and S-O-M-E, sum. Sum and sum. This sum is very easy. There are some strawberries on the table. Next is red and red. R-E-A-D, red is the past form of read, and word red means red color. Sentence example is, I read the book yesterday. The strawberries are red in color. Dear, dear. She is my dear friend. The deer jumped over the log. Pain. I have a sharp pain in my finger. Pain. The window pane is broken. Road. Road. The car is on the road. The man rode the horse. Pear, pear. This is my favorite pair of socks. My favorite fruit is pear. Desert, desert. The Sahara is a vast desert. I had an ice cream for dessert. Wait, wait. We had to wait in a queue. I checked the weight of the apple. Ear, ear. The dog had wounded its ear. I have not met my friend since a year. Great, great. Arjun was a great warrior. Mother will grate the cucumber. There, there. I found some books there. Birds build their nests on trees. I. She has hurt her eye. I will go to the mall on Sunday. Now read the sentences and fill correct words in the blanks. First is, I will dash my friend tomorrow. M-E-E-T, meet, or M-E-A-T, meet? Yes, M-E-E-T, meet. I will meet my friend tomorrow. Next is, what did you dash at the store? B-Y-E, buy, or B-U-Y, buy? B-U-Y, buy. What did you buy at the store? Third one is, the cat ate the dash of cake. P-E-A-C-E, peace, or P-I-E-C-E, peace? P-I-E-C-E, peace. The cat ate the piece of cake. I want to sit dash. Here or here? H-E-R-E, here, or H-E-A-R, here? Yes, H-E-R-E, here. I want to sit here. 5. I ate the dash pizza as I was hungry. H-O-L-E, whole, or W-H-O-L-E, whole? W-H-O-L-E, whole. I ate the whole pizza as I was hungry. So that's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.